Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Sadia Bashir from Department of Education at Virtual University of Pakistan. I, on the behalf of Education Department, welcome you all. The course you will be studying in this semester is Human Development and Learning, which is coded as EDU 302. Human Development and Learning is a 3 credit hours course, mainly divided in 7 units. Before going to discuss those units, I am going to share with you the description of this course. This course has been developed to introduce graduates to the domains of teaching and learning as they relate to and are influenced by the continuous process of human development from childhood to adulthood. Furthermore, learners will study some major developmental theories and their impact upon human development and learning. In this course, prospective teachers will explore a range of ways children develop and learn. Importantly, this course will explore individual differences of children so that prospective teachers can deal with all types of students. This in turn develops student-teacher understanding of the diverse learning styles according to the needs of children from birth to adulthood. Foremost, emphasis of this course is on understanding about learning within the contexts of rapidly changing environments. Now look at the learning outcomes. After taking this course, students will be able to understand basic concepts in human development, growth and learning. They will see the process of human development and its classroom application, various aspects and stages of human development they will see. They will study different approaches to human learning, plus individual differences and their effect on teaching learning. Now one by one, I will give you little description of every unit. First unit is concept of human development, which will mainly cover definition of human development and growth, difference between these two terms, and then we will study general principles of human development plus factors influencing human development. In unit 2, we will see aspects of human development which are divided in 4 areas like physical, social, emotional and intellectual development. Unit 3 will be about developmental characteristics. Here we will see the changes in a child from preschool to the senior high school. In 4th unit, you will be studying the theories like theories of human development, learning theories, cognitive development theories, socio-cultural view of development you will study, humanistic approach, moral development or language development. In 5th unit is about the transfer of learning and instruction. Here you will see the definition and the process of learning plus its significance, and then we will explore the theories of transfer of learning and types of transfer of learning. At the end of this unit, we will see the contemporary view of transfer of learning. 6th unit is entitled with the facilitating complex thinking. Here we will see the forms of thinking. Then we will explore the measurement of creativity, and we will see that what is the creativity in classroom, and for that purpose we will study some kind of instructional strategies also that stimulate complex thinking. Last but not the least, individual differences would be the unit 7, in which we will see sources and types of individual differences. Then we will study types of exceptional children and also disadvantaged students. Here we will also discuss the students with the learning disabilities. After that, we will look into the effects of individual differences on learning. At the end of this unit, cognitive view of transfer of learning will be discussed. Okay students, after little introduction about this course, now let me talk about your semester activities. You will have assignments, quizzes, graded discussion board, midterm and final term exams. You will be informed about all these activities well before time on LMS. You are advised to keep checking your LMS announcements so that you shouldn't miss any activity. We highly encourage you to discuss your problems through MDBs and emails. MDB stands for Moderated Discussion Board, where you can post us your lecture related problems. For other problems, you can email us at edu302@vu.edu.pk. We hope to see you actively participating in all semester activities. All the best and thank you.